action! Now, over to you, Leo.
How's this, Katie?
Good, hey everyone. My phone is going to be DK, and that's my new video camera. Okay, Leo, I need you to Leo.
Oh, sorry, Katie. Someone's calling me. Oh, hi, what's up? Hi, Leo. Very exciting for mysterious Tanuki in the Japanese forest. Tanuki? Tanuki is the Japanese name for raccoon dog. Some say that the Tanuki is a shapeshifter. Here, I'll send you a photo of it.
That's just a myth, Kai. A story that isn't true. It's scientifically impossible for an animal to transform itself with magic.
Which is why it'll be incredible if my invention captures the impossible. I'm going to film the exact moment the Tanuki shapeshifts with my camera.
How about we look for more information about the Tanuki first?
All right, Leo. I'll send the photo to my computer.
Great. See you later, hero.
There it is. The Tanuki. The Tanuki, also known as the raccoon dog, is a raccoon. We look alike. Tanukis are more closely related to marsupials and dogs. Tanukis can climb trees and can also swim.
It didn't say the shapeshift. It didn't say and shapeshift either. If anyone is going to prove the impossible, it's me. I have to find Tanuki and film a shapeshift. Would you guys like to call it help? Try. If not, we want to help you and find out more about the Tanuki ourselves. Who beans? I'll share the location of the Tanuki was last seen. We got there. Ranger out. Let's go help find the Tanuki and see if it is real.
I'm in a new video for around. See you first.
Ranger Leo all set. Woohoo! Junior Rangers to the rescue! Platypus 1, activate! Here we go!
Kai should be around here somewhere.
Whoa, look out!
Aha! Show yourself, Tanuki!
Ooh, ah! It's just us, Kai. That's Hero.
Oops, sorry, hero.
Is this your video camera, Kai?
It sure is. Meet the Timer 1000, a state-of-the-art drone with superior technical HD video camera. It's my latest invention. It's got autofocus, one-time time zoom, vision, X-ray vision, thermal imaging, and it can fly top speed of 100 meters an hour. It's also waterproof, you know, with depth 100 underwater. There's nowhere a Tanuki hide from Timer 1000.
This is my new video camera. It doesn't have a fancy name, and it doesn't have as many functions as yours.
But it's something it's my video camera.
It's all cool, guys. I could use all the help I can get. Great. I can wait up in the trees and pick the Tanukis I stand up. Katie and I will look out with our cameras on the ground. Right ahead, Hero. You can keep it forever.
With so many cameras, we'll be sure to hunt the shapeshifts.
Let's do this, Rangers.
It's the Tanuki. Oh, not a flash. I can see a video. Not a photo. Oh, false alarm anyway. It's just a bird.
And look, guys.
No.
Honey. Hero found something.
Let's roll, guys. Let's go. It must be in that tree.
It's you now, Tanuki. Whoa, it turned into a chipmunk. See? I told you about the shapeshifter.
Cut.
Oh, man.
It's getting away again.
It's going into that log.
Quick, before it escapes.
Ranger Rocky?
No way! The Tanuki turned itself into Ranger Rocky.
Sorry, Junior Rangers. I'm no Tanuki. I'm just Ranger Rocky.
But how do we know you're not a Tanuki that shapeshifted into Ranger Rocky?
Would a Tanuki know how to talk?
Well,
Look, Kai. I think the Tanuki got away from that hole instead.
oh man, how are we going to find it now?
Tanukis can be tricky to spot. It's especially easy to mistake a Tanuki for a raccoon, but will never go wrong if you look at their paws and things. While the raccoon leave paws that are similar to humans, the Tanukis are more similar to foxes and dogs. Also, raccoons have spike tails, but Tanukis don't.
It's legit. Ranger Rocky?
Huh? Where did he go?
These organs will be heroes, so sure belong to the Tanuki. Look, it's over there. So that's a Tanuki, right? Not a raccoon.
There are no stripes on the tail. That's definitely a Tanuki.
Yes, we're up for you. You can run, but you can't hunt for Timer 1000. No! Timer 1000! The camera is damaged. I can't be a Tanuki now. How could I be so careless?
It's okay, Kai. You still have my camera, but it can't fly.
Best.
There's the Tanuki.
Wow, Katie, your camera is just as amazing as mine.
Thanks, Kai. It was a great idea to combine my camera and your drone. Teamwork makes the dream work.
We've got you now, Tanuki. Shapeshift!
I'm sure it's just getting warmed up. Any time now.
It's been hours, Kai. I don't think it's gonna shapeshift.
I'm afraid it's just a myth after all. Tanukis are not shapeshifters.
Oh, I guess you have so much for doing the impossible. Well, time, we should head home now. It's late already.
Hero, my boy.